Okay guys, hello guys. For today's video, I will play MM2 and defeating murders. Murder. Okay, this is okay. Actually I like small character because I didn't die if I murder. Okay, then you can see anyone. Okay. I have a Valkyrie. Okay, this is long start now. Yeah, see you now, guys. It's now start right now. I was needed for my Indian life one doesn't it's what? Who's the murderer? I got innocent now. My God, it's bacon. Bro, don't come here, bacon. Bacon, you are a bacon. Only they don't have a jobs. Oh God, okay, finally I jump. Oh, he's, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, please, don't, please don't. Let's run, let's run, let's run. I'm scared, bro. What do you, what do you think if I get the gun? Mag. Uy, putang ina! He caught me, bro. Nah, I lost food. Bro, hacker. Oh, he's dancing. He's dancing because he's hacker. Bro, how did they do? Bro, hacking. Bro, where did they go? Nah, I'm God. So, why are you hacking? Okay, guys, see you next time. And I will record for the next video.